I'm an actress here in Los Angeles, and I'm going to teach you a few tips and tricks about the trade and how to get by in the casting session. So it's really simple. Been here for quite a while. I'm a trained actress, and I'm going to teach you all that I know. So lucky you guys. Okay, so the first thing is an American accent. Everybody wants to hear an American accent over here when you're auditioning. So really simple. 3 main things, okay? Keep it nasal, keep it wide, and blend the words together. Simple as that. Repeat after me. I've had a really bad day and I just want to sit on the couch. I've had a really bad day and I want to sit on the couch. Easy, okay? Once again. I've had a really bad day and I want to sit on the couch. Okay, you can practice at home. Let's say something else, because there's many words you can say. Let's say, I'm so hungry, what's for dinner? I'm so hungry, what's for dinner? Simple, okay? And now, as these YouTube videos progress, we're gonna learn a bit more and catch my next video. Subscribe below.